Hey everyone, today I'm finally having a phone upgrade after 4 years. Upgrading my phone wasn't honestly an easy decision. My previous phone was the first phone I ever bought when I started working in the UAE in 2019. But now I feel like it's finally time to upgrade for improved personal and work productivity. By the way, I ordered this phone from Kim's store. I purposely wanted it to arrive on a weekend because if it had arrived on a weekday, I would have been easily distracted due to excitement. So I ordered it a week ago, and it came one day before expected delivery date. Huge thanks to my boyfriend for being so supportive and recording this video. XOXO. As anticipated, the box only came with a cable, pin for SIM slot, and some manuals. Thankfully, I found extra adapters, it wasn't a worry. Unboxing new phones is exciting and easy until you get to the part where you need to transfer all data. It took 10 hours to get all the data transferred, including all the apps in my old phone. Tip: make sure you're not in a hurry and your internet connection is stable. And finally, I wanted to express how grateful I am for everything that has paved the way for this moment. It's a step towards enhancing efficiency and achieving goals.